In the event that you're searching for genuinely smooth love elixir cost expectations estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to know where the costs of especially smooth love mixture, SLP, will go later on in an unobtrusive way. We will dissect the previous costs of pretty smooth love elixir, SLP, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you really want to take this expectation in each and every forecast with the aim that this, for the most part, is just the idea of some market master examiners. Not to truly make reference to foreseeing something so amazing is totally unthinkable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin smooth love mixture past value investigation. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of smooth love elixir is $0.003, and SLP is right now positioned number 234 in the whole crypto environment. The flow supply of smooth love elixir is 42,447,052,899, with a market cap of $107,528,719. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.65% in its ongoing worth. Assuming we analyze the ongoing business sector cap of the SLP with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap is likewise down. Smooth love mixture is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The SLP is down to nearly 16.22% over the most recent 7 days. The coin is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past sort of couple of days. The coin could basically areas of strength 4 have at the same time. We don't in a real sense imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of SLP basically diminished by 24.132%, taking out an incredible normal amount of $0.0008056 from its truly current worth. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent purchase, a valuable open door for speedy speculation. The 90 days cost change is around 1.27%, and the cost flowed from a sort of least in every way that really matters, normal cost of $0.002, to greatest especially normal cost of $0.003 in the beyond 90 days. In especially most recent 4 months, smooth love mixture generally has shown a developing pattern. In this manner, we feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the particularly the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of smooth love elixir is expanded from 4 months in a by and large enormous manner. The exchanging volume comprises a crucial job in its cost. The coin is up by 4.55%. With the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around $0.003, and the truly least typical value of was around $0.003 and fundamentally beyond 4 months. We foresee future smooth love elixir cost expectations SLP estimate by applying profound man-made reasoning, helped specialized investigation on the past value information of smooth love mixture. We give a valiant effort to gather especially most extreme verifiable information for the SLP coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past cost, smooth love mixture market cap, certainly smooth love elixir volume, and not many more, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Assuming you really are hoping to put resources into advanced cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your speculations, try to peruse our expectations. Smooth love elixir value expectation 2023, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023. The cost of smooth love mixture is anticipated to reach at any rate level of $0.004, which is genuinely huge. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.004, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.004, or so they thought. Peruse sort of more smooth love elixir value expectation 2024, according to the conjecture and specialized examination, in 2024. The cost of smooth love mixture is supposed to reach at least value worth of $0.005. The SLP cost can essentially arrive at a most extreme value worth of $0.006, with the genuinely normal worth of $0.006. Peruse more SLP value gauge for 2025. The cost of smooth love elixir is anticipated to truly reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.008 in 2025. The Smooth Love Mixture cost could arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of $0.009, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.008 all through 2025. Peruse more Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Forecast 2026. The cost of one Smooth Love Mixture is supposed to reach at least degree of $0.012 in 2026. The SLP cost can arrive at an essentially greatest degree of $0.013, with the typical cost of $0.012 all through 2026. Peruse certainly more Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2027. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at a sort of least degree of $0.017 in 2027. The Smooth Love Mixture cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.020, with the typical cost of $0.017 all through 2027. Peruse more Smooth Love Mixture Value Expectation 2028. Smooth Love Elixir cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.026 in 2028. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could in a real sense arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.029, with the typical conjecture cost of $0.027. Peruse significantly more Smooth Love Elixir, SLP, Value Expectation 2029. Smooth Love Mixture cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $0.039 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the SLP cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $0.045, with the typical estimate cost of $0.040. Peruse more Smooth Love Elixir Value Conjecture 2030. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of SLP, in 2030, the cost of sort of Smooth Love Mixture truly is estimated to be at around a base worth of $0.055. The Smooth Love Mixture value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $0.067, with the typical exchanging worth of $0.057 in United States dollars. Peruse more Smooth Love Mixture, SLP, Value Expectation 2031. As per our profound specialized examination on by and large past value information of SLP, in 2031, the cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to really reach at least degree of $0.081, which is very critical. The SLP cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.097, with the typical exchanging cost of $0.083 in a significant manner. Peruse all the more fundamentally Smooth Love Mixture Value Forecast 2032. The cost of Smooth Love Elixir is anticipated to reach at a kind of least worth of 12 cents in 2032. The Smooth Love Mixture cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of 14 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 12 cents.